Hi everybody, welcome to Caketastic Cakes. It's Jen and I'm going to show you how to make a Minecraft spider. Now just like before, if you guys need anything, check out the description below for tools and supplies. Okay, I'm going to start with the body, the main part of the body, rolled out some black, nice and thick, and I'm going to cut it into a lovely rectangle. Already we're like halfway done. This is real easy, guys. I'm rolling it out about half the thickness of the body that I just did there. And now I'm going to cut out a nice little square. This is going to become the head. I'm just tightening up the edges there because you want your pieces from Minecraft, all of them be nice and squared off. Using a little bit of water. Remember our rectangle body? There we go. Stick the head on. Boom. Yeah, he's like half done now. All right. I'm going to do his legs now. His legs are the same thickness as the head, the same piece I was using before. And they're going to be slightly smaller than the length of the body. So you don't want them too fat either, or too long in this case. So you saw the mark I made to just make it so it'll be inside on either end like that. Yep. And you want them to be the same length. So I'm just matching it up and then I'm going to cut them the same length. They are a little bit fat still and the legs will end up too long. So I trimmed it off to make it a little thinner. And now I'm just squaring it off. I'm using an X-Acto knife for this to make a cut in the middle and then a cut in the middle on either side of that one. So now we have 4 legs because spiders have, as you may have guessed, 8 legs. So we want 4 on each side. Okay, a little bit of water, press it on, and then spread your legs out. When you spread them out, try to make them a little more straight and a little less curved because Minecraft, you know, straight edges, not so many curves. But, you know, do the best you can. Your kids are not going to mind or hate you if your little spider for Minecraft isn't quite as straight and perfect as a ruler. For the final detail of our little spider here, I'm just rolling out some red beads of gum paste, little tiny red beads. Those are going to go on the face for the eyes and the mouth. I'm using the back of my paintbrush there, making some pressure marks, little wells that our beads are going to sit in, a little touch of water in each one. Put the little bead of red into each one. And then once again, I'm going to use the back of my paintbrush and just kind of press them down, make them look nice and even. And now he's got his glowing face coming at you, right? So, nice and easy. I promised you it would be, right? Nice and simple. Check out my many other Minecraft videos if you're making your Minecraft or Minecraft Earth cake. Please like and subscribe. That really does help me. And thank you for watching Caketastic Cakes.